Can you get your foot in all right?
Yes, okay.
Okay, you're all aboard.
I'm in.
And I think the old balloon's all ready to take us up. Whew, this is going to be exciting, Maria.
Are you sure about this, Big Bird?
Oh, sure. What could possibly go wrong? Why don't we tell everybody we're going to leave now?
Okay.
Mr. Loper!
Susan!
Louise!
Louise,
Ed,
Mr. Hooper!
everybody!
You're ready to go.
Hi.
We're all set.
Wow.
The old balloon is going to take off now. Anybody want to join us?
I don't think so.
Not me.
Mr. Loper, how about you?
No, Hooper. No, you ask somebody else. They might enjoy it better.
Well,
Anybody want to talk me out of this?
No, you get to do this one on your own.
well, I guess it's just you and me, Maria.
Sure is.
Well, let's drop a few sandbags and off we'll go. See, I dropped the sandbag and it makes us light enough to go up.
Uh-huh.
How many sandbags you got in there, Big Bird?
Just enough to hold us down, Louise.
Whoa!
Whoa, she's getting lighter.
Sure is.
Try dropping another.
Okay.
Isn't this exciting?
It's moving.
Look, it's starting to move now.
Oh, we're lifting off. We're lifting off.
Go ahead.
Hey, everybody, look.
Big Bird.
Hey, take it easy.
Whoa, we're flying. Oh, look at that. Look how small the people look down there.
Is that Susan?
Yeah, she looks like a little ant.
Sure does.
Wow, this is exciting. Just look at me. I'm way up high. I knew someday I'd get to fly. I'm flying.
You sure are, Big Bird.
Oh, yes, I'm flying. I knew I'd like it, 'cause I had heard there's nothing like it. If you're a bird, I'm flying.
You're flying, Big Bird.
Oh, yes, I'm flying. So pass the birdseed and I'll rip the wrapping. My wings are free, they're not even flapping. I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying. I'm higher than high. Spread the word! Big Bird is finally an airborne bird. I'm flying. Oh, yes, I'm flying. Isn't this fun, Maria?
Oh, this is fabulous.
Look, you can see all the way over to Sea Caucus.
Sure can. This is some idea you had, Big Bird.
I didn't think it would work myself. But here we are.
Look at the tiny ships. They look like toys.
I think those are toys. No, they're real.
Yeah, they're real.
This is the best day of my life. Okay, Burgeteers, are you ready?
Yeah!
Oh, that's good, because now we're going to imagine we're flying way high over Sesame Street. So start flapping your wings, because here we go. Just look at us, we're way up high. I knew someday we'd get to fly. We're flying. Oh, yes, we're flying. I knew we'd like it, 'cause I had heard there's nothing like it. If you're a bird, we're flying. Oh, yes, we're flying. So don't close your eyes. This is no time for napping. Up here you see, you gotta keep flapping. We're flying. We're flying. We're flying. Hey, Burgeteers, let's pretend we're way up in the sky and we can look down. Way down. Oh, look at my nest. Way down there. And there's my mailbox. So tiny. Yes, we're higher than high. Spread the word. The bird-keteers are airborne birds. We're flying. Oh, yes, we're flying. Hey, let's fly south. Flap your wings.
Did I just see a flock of birds fly by?
La-da, la-dee, la-da. Wow, I really love these wings because even though I cannot fly, I can do lots of different things with them. Loop, la-da.
Hey, Rosita.
Oh, hi, Big Bird. Hi, Bird-keteers. Hi.
We came to give you this, Rosita.
Oh, really? What? Oh, a Bird-keteer hat?
Yeah. We're gonna make you an honorary bird-keteer.
Really? Me? Oh, thank you. This is great.
We figure you don't need the bird-keteer wings because you already have wings.
Yeah, so how do I look?
Great. And now that you're a bird-keteer, you can fly with us.
Fly? But I thought you and the Bird-keteers cannot fly.
Well, we can't for real. But we like to use our imaginations and pretend we can fly. That's why the bird-keteers and I love to flap our wings so much. It helps us pretend we're flying.
Oh, hey, maybe that's something else my wings can do. Help pretend I'm flying.
I'll bet they can.
Yeah, well, there's only one way to find out.
Right. Okay, bird-keteers, start your wings flapping, because we're going to pretend we're flying high over Sesame Street. And you can pretend you fly, too. Just look at us, we're way up high. I knew someday we'd get to fly. We're flying. Oh, yes, we're flying.
This is great.
I knew we'd like it, 'cause I had heard there's nothing like it. If you're a bird, we're flying. Oh, yes, we're flying. So don't close your eyes. This is no time for napping. Up here you see, you gotta keep flapping. We're flying. We're flying. We're flying. Now let's pretend they're way up in the sky looking down on Sesame Street.
Oh, yeah, I can see my house from up here, Big Bird.
Boy, everything down there looks so small. Why, the people look like ants.
Those are ants.
Yes, we're higher than high. Spread the word. The bird-keteers are airborne birds. We're flying. Oh, yes, we're flying. Come on, bird-keteers, let's fly south.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look down there. Is that Alan way down there?
Hey, and there is Tara, all the way down there. Hey, guys, look at us. We are flying.
Hey, Tara, did you just see that flock of birds fly up above us?
Okay, we're all ready to show the butterfly how to fly. Look, everybody's put on make-believe wings, and I'm going to use my real wings, and we're going to pretend we can fly and show the butterfly how to do it. Okay, now butterfly, you watch our wings, do what we do. Ready? Hey, look at us. We all have wings. Look at yourself. You have the same thing. Go flying. You can go flying. Move your wings up and down, that is all. Fly to a tree. Fly to the mall. Go flying. Go flying. You can go flying.
the zoo or over a valley. Fly to the park or the bowling alley. Go flying. You can go flying. Go flying. You can go flying.
That'd be nice.
Oh, look. I think it's starting to fly. It is. It's flying. Oh, look at it fly. It's beautiful.